Hello, this is Nathan with Check My Leads. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be demonstrating how to verify contact information using our add-on. So I'm going to go to Add-ons, Check My Leads, and click Start. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is I want to verify that the account I'm using is the account I have credits with. So we can see that it pulls in the email address that I'm using that's associated with this account. So now that that's been verified, I'm going to go to step two. And so in order to verify, we want to start with the email leads list. So you can see at the top we have email and phone. So I'm starting with the email leads list, and we need to select which column it is. So enter the cell location of the first email address. So in this example, the first email address is in C2. So I'm going to put C2 and click on test emails. All right, so we can see that we have three columns that populate. So the first column is the email status. So whether it's valid, and this last one is risky. We have the email domain that is generated, which is essentially just any information after the @ symbol. And then we have our available credits. So anyone that downloads the app starts with 25 credits. So now I'm down to 21 after using 4. All right, and so additionally, I want to also test the phone numbers and verify that those are actual phone numbers. So I'm going to come into click phone on the right-hand side. And so I'm going to do a similar process. I'm going to select the first cell. So we have column G, row 2. So I'm going to put that in column G, row 2, and click on test phone. All right, so we can see that in this example, it gives us our phone validity, whether the phone is valid or invalid. It also pulls the phone city where I believe the phone number is registered, the state, and then the type of phone. So this can be really helpful if you want to try to text the person. Obviously, if it's a landline, then that's not going to be possible. And then lastly, we have our available credits. With phone numbers and with verifying phone numbers, it takes 4 credits. And with email addresses, it requires 1 credit. After you've used your 25 credits that you get for installing the plugin or the add-on, then you can come to the bottom here and purchase additional credits. All of the credits that you purchase never expire, and you can use them at any time. So if I wanted to purchase 500 additional credits for $5, click on Buy Credits, enter my credit information, click Pay, and those will be added to your account. All right, so that concludes how to use our plugin. Thank you so much for watching.